हॅलो स्टुडंट, आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये डेटा इन्फॉर्मेशन अँड नॉलेज हे आपण बघणार आहोत. तर द डिफरन्स बिटवीन डेटा इन्फॉर्मेशन अँड नॉलेज कॅन बी बेटर अंडरस्टूड थ्रू द फॉलोइंग रिमार्क्स. ओके, तो फर्स्ट सी डेटा. Generally, data represent a structure codification of single primary entities as well as of transaction involving two or more primary entities. For example, for a retailer, data refer to primary entities such as customers, point of sales and items, while sales receipts represent the commercial transactions. Okay, so next, informations. Information is the outcome of extraction and processing activities carried out on data, and it appears meaningful for those who receive it in specific domain. For example, to the sales manager of a retail company, the proportion of sales receipts in the amount of over 100 per week, or the number of customers holding a loyalty card who have reduced by more than 50% the monthly amount spent in the last 3 months, represent meaningful pieces of information that can be extracted from raw stored data. Next, knowledge. Information is transformed into knowledge when it is used to make decisions and develop the corresponding actions. Therefore, we can think of knowledge as consisting of information put to work into a specific domain, enhanced by the experience and competence of decision makers in tackling and solving complex problems. The activity of providing support to knowledge workers through the integration of decision making processes and enabling information technologies is usually referred to as knowledge management. Okay, so these are data, information and knowledge for decision making process. So next point are the role of mathematical models. म्हणजे बिझनेस इंटेलिजन्समध्ये मॅथमॅटिकलचा रोल काय आहे आपण बघणार आहोत. अ बिझनेस इंटेलिजन्स सिस्टीम प्रोव्हाइड्स डिसिजन मेकर्स विथ information and knowledge extracted from data, okay, through the application of mathematical models and algorithms. म्हणजे तुमचे जे काही डिसिजन्स आपल्याला घ्यायचे आहेत ते कोणावरून इन्फॉर्मेशन आणि नॉलेज इन्फॉर्मेशन नॉलेज आणि डेटावरून आपण जे काही डिसिजन्स घेतो आणि त्याच्यामध्ये ते जे काही डिसिजन आपण घेणार आहोत ते कोणा थ्रू घेणार आहोत, मॅथमॅटिकल मॉडेल्स आणि अल्गोरिदम्सद्वारे आपण डिसिजन्स मेकिंग घेणार आहोत. द ॲडॅप्शन ऑफ बिझनेस इंटेलिजन्स सिस्टीम tends to promote a scientific and rational approach to the management of enterprises and complex organizations. The rational approach typically of business intelligence analysis can be summarized systematically in the following main characteristics. What is the characteristic? The first characteristic is the objectives of the analysis are identified and the performance indicator that will be used to evaluate alternative options are defined. Mathematical models are developed by exploiting the relationship among system control variables, parameters and evaluations matrix. Finally, what if analyses are carried out to evaluate the effects on the performance determined by variations in the control variables and changes in the parameters. The development of an abstract model forces decision makers to focus on the main features of the analyzed domain, thus inducing a deeper understanding of the phenomenon under the investigation. The knowledge about the domain acquired when building a mathematical model can be more easily transferred in the long run to the individuals within the same organization, thus allowing a sharper preservation of knowledge in comparison to empirical decision making processes. Finally, a mathematical model developed for specific decision making tasks is so general and flexible that in most cases it can be applied to other ensuing situations to solve problems of similar type. So these are role of mathematical models. सो कोणाला डाऊट असेल तर तुम्ही नक्की विचारू शकता.